Meaning of disorder.
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 Disorder. Disorder refers to a state of unrest or confusion, often characterized by a lack of organization or structure. It can manifest in various forms, including social, psychological, and physical disorders. The consequences of disorder can be significant, ranging from reduced productivity and efficiency to psychological distress and illness. Disorder in society can lead to social unrest and instability, while disorder in one's personal life can have negative effects on mental and physical health. Overall, disorder is generally seen as an undesirable state that requires attention and intervention to restore order and balance.